Road warriors, take note. At the gas station, are you sick and tired of spending a fortune? Myths about fuel efficiency are being debunked today, and we are going to expose the genuine strategies that will help you save money. Now let's go on the road. Common fuel-saving myths. The first is that premium fuel improves car economy. Despite popular perception, this is false. Premium fuel won't enhance mileage or performance unless your car needs it. Like giving your cat caviar when they're satisfied with plain chow, it's unneeded and expensive. For knock-free performance, premium fuel is for high-performance engines. Most cars run on standard unleaded gas without sacrificing economy. Another fallacy is that half-full gas tanks save fuel. Fuel economy improves with reduced weight and fuel. The weight difference is negligible and doesn't affect mileage. Instead than worrying about fuel level, focus on proven fuel efficiency measures. Changing to neutral at stops saves gasoline is a myth too. This may have been relevant for ancient cars, but contemporary engines idle efficiently. Constantly shifting into and out of neutral might also damage your transmission. Keep the car in drive and let the engine technology work. Another myth is that gasoline additives boost fuel economy. Some additives are useful, but most are marketing gimmicks. Regular maintenance and smart driving practices will save more fuel over time. Finally, some drivers believe that using air conditioning always consumes more fuel than driving with the windows down. While it's true that AC uses extra energy at highway speeds, the aerodynamic drag caused by open windows can actually reduce fuel efficiency more than using the AC. It's all about balancing comfort and efficiency. Actual fuel-saving techniques. After dispelling the fallacies, let's discuss fuel-saving strategies. Proper tire inflation is a simple yet efficient method. Underinflated tires reduce gas mileage by 0.2% for one side drop across all tires. Maintaining proper tire inflation can increase gas mileage by 3%. As with marathon shoes, every little bit helps. Your automobile runs smoothly with properly inflated tires. Another fuel-saving tip is highway cruise control. Cruise control improves automotive efficiency by maintaining speed. Constant acceleration and deceleration wastes gasoline, so cruise control on lengthy roads is like autopilot for fuel savings. Fuel efficiency can be greatly improved by reducing aerodynamic drag. Avoid roof racks and carriers, which increase wind resistance and engine effort. Like driving with a parachute on your back, those extra attachments drag your car. In 2024, car manufacturers included real-time tire pressure monitoring systems to warn of underinflated tires. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration says this makes appropriate tire pressure easier than ever, perhaps improving gas mileage by 3%. Newer cars have improved aerodynamic features that reduce drag and boost fuel efficiency without driver adjustment. Refraining from using bike racks and roof boxes is yet another effective strategy. At highway speeds, these items can increase air resistance, which in turn reduces fuel economy by 1/4 percentage point. Taking them off during your travel will help you save money on petrol if you do not require them. In addition, hybrid and electric vehicles are gaining popularity in 2024 due to the fact that they provide innovative features such as regenerative braking, which allows the battery to be recharged. Coasting is a technique that can help save fuel and reduce brake wear in classic automobiles. Coasting involves removing your foot off the accelerator and allowing the vehicle to slow down before applying the brakes. How driving habits affect fuel economy. Fuel usage is heavily influenced by driving habits. Rapid acceleration and severe braking reduce gas mileage by 15 to 30% on highways and 10 to 40% in stop-and-go traffic. Smooth driving saves fuel and decreases vehicle wear and tear, reducing maintenance needs. Fuel economy can also suffer from excessive idling. Idling yields 0 mpg. If halted for more than a minute, turn off the engine. When waiting for someone or in a long drive-through line, turn off the engine to save fuel. Modern cars can endure frequent starts and stops without much wear. Speed management is key to fuel efficiency. Continuously speeding is less fuel efficient than moderate driving. Driving 5 miles per hour over 50 miles per hour adds $0.20 per gallon to gas. Slowing down can save a lot of money over time, making slow and steady a winning race strategy. Many 2024 cars include eco-driving modes and clever driving systems that help drivers maintain optimal speeds and acceleration. These devices provide feedback and optimize fuel efficiency, helping you save fuel with technology. Eco-driving technologies can boost fuel efficiency by 15%, depending on driving circumstances and vehicle type, according to the IEA. Avoiding excess weight is another key behavior. Every 100 pounds in your car reduces mpg by 1%. Frequently transporting heavy tools or sports equipment might reduce fuel economy. Clear your trunk and seats to carry only what you need. These driving habits can save a lot of gas. The Department of Energy says maintaining a constant speed can boost fuel efficiency by 14%. Avoiding rush hour and combining errands can also improve fuel efficiency by reducing traffic. Vehicle maintenance for better efficiency. Maintenance keeps your car running smoothly and saves fuel. Well-maintained engines can save 4% on fuel with regular tune-ups. This covers spark plug replacement, oxygen sensor testing, and air filter cleaning. Check and replace your air filter regularly to improve performance and fuel efficiency. Oil changes are also important for vehicle upkeep. Your engine operates smoothly and effectively using the manufacturer's recommended motor oil. Engine friction is reduced by proper lubrication, improving fuel efficiency. Imagine your car's heart pumping steadily without interruptions. Fuel economy can also be improved by reducing weight. Avoid carrying additional weight in your car. Minus 100 pounds might cut MPG by 1%. Consider it a car diet. Empty the trunk and backseat of goods you rarely carry. Every weight decrease improves car efficiency. Innovative auto diagnostics help drivers maintain their vehicles in 2024. Modern cars have built-in diagnostic systems that notify you to maintenance needs, maximizing fuel efficiency and vehicle condition. The U.S. Department of Energy says regular maintenance can boost fuel efficiency by 4%. Lightweight materials are also used in automotive manufacturing to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. Proper tire alignment is also important. Tire misalignment increases fuel consumption and drag. Regular tire rotation and alignment maintenance enhance fuel efficiency and tire longevity. Using innovative fuel-efficient technologies can also help. Start-stop systems can boost fuel efficiency by 10% by shutting off the engine when the car is idle and starting it when the brake is released. This technique is increasingly seen in combustion engines and hybrids. In 2024, lightweight composite materials are used more in car building. These materials lower automotive weight without affecting safety or performance, improving fuel efficiency. To enhance fuel savings, manufacturers are designing more efficient engines and aerodynamics. Advanced fuel-saving technologies. The integration of advanced technologies into modern vehicles has revolutionized fuel efficiency. In 2024, hybrid and electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular due to their innovative features, such as regenerative braking. Regenerative braking allows the battery to be recharged during deceleration, improving overall efficiency and reducing the need for frequent recharges. Electric vehicles, in particular, offer significant fuel savings by relying on electricity instead of gasoline. With the expansion of charging infrastructure, more drivers are considering EVs as a viable alternative to traditional combustion engines. Additionally, hybrid systems in modern vehicles optimize fuel efficiency by allowing the engine to run at its most efficient speed, reducing fuel consumption. Monitoring and improving driving habits. Fuel efficiency can be further enhanced by monitoring and improving driving habits. Many 2024 cars are equipped with eco-driving modes and smart driving systems that help drivers maintain optimal speeds and acceleration. These systems provide real-time feedback and suggestions to optimize fuel efficiency, making it easier for drivers to adopt fuel-saving practices. Eco-driving technologies can boost fuel efficiency by up to 15%, depending on driving circumstances and vehicle type, according to the International Energy Agency, IEA. By leveraging these technologies, drivers can achieve significant fuel savings and reduce their environmental impact. Reducing aerodynamic drag. Reducing aerodynamic drag is another effective strategy for improving fuel efficiency. Avoiding roof racks, bike racks, and other external attachments that increase air resistance can significantly enhance a vehicle's aerodynamics. At highway speeds, these items can increase air resistance, which in turn reduces fuel economy by 1/4 percentage point. Taking them off during your travel will help you save money on petrol if you do not require them. Additionally, newer cars have improved aerodynamic features that reduce drag and boost fuel efficiency without driver adjustment. Utilizing advanced diagnostics. Innovative auto diagnostics help drivers maintain their vehicles in 2024. Modern cars have built-in diagnostic systems that notify drivers of maintenance needs, maximizing fuel efficiency and vehicle condition. These systems provide real-time information about tire pressure, engine performance, and other critical factors that affect fuel consumption. The U.S. Department of Energy says regular maintenance can boost fuel efficiency by 4%. Lightweight materials are also used in automotive manufacturing to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. Leveraging start-stop systems. Start-stop systems are increasingly common in modern vehicles, offering a practical solution for reducing fuel consumption during idle periods. These systems automatically shut off the engine when the car is idle, such as at traffic lights or in heavy traffic, and restart it when the driver releases the brake. By eliminating unnecessary idling, start-stop systems can boost fuel efficiency by up to 10%. This technology is increasingly seen in both combustion engines and hybrids, contributing to overall fuel savings and reduced emissions. Conclusion. Finally, fuel economy fallacies must be debunked to save money at the pump. Focus on genuine procedures including tire inflation, smooth driving, and car maintenance. Small driving habits and proper vehicle maintenance might save you a lot over time. The best ways to maximize fuel efficiency are to maintain proper tire pressure, use cruise control on highways, reduce aerodynamic drag, drive smoothly without aggressive acceleration or hard braking, avoid excessive idling, manage speed, and get regular tune-ups and oil changes. These methods will save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Staying up to date on automobile innovations and applying them into your driving habit can boost fuel efficiency in 2024. These advances, from real-time tire pressure monitoring to eco-driving modes, help you maximize fuel efficiency. Adopting these technology and practices can boost fuel economy by 20%, according to the IEA. Understanding automotive technological developments like hybrid and electric powertrain integration can save more. Hybrid systems allow the engine to run at its most efficient speed, improving fuel efficiency. Electric cars, EVs, cut fuel expenditures by using electricity, and as charging infrastructure grows in 2024, more drivers are considering them. Final suggestion is to track your driving and fuel consumption with applications. These provide individualized fuel efficiency suggestions and insights. Fuelie and Gas Buddy track fuel economy, discover the cheapest gas, and remind you to maintain. We appreciate you watching. Please click the like button and subscribe to receive other suggestions on how to save money if you found these tips to be useful. Wishing you safe travels and a joyful driving experience.